Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So ito po ang ating almost daily love reading para sa mga Virgo. This is for February going to March 2021. Okay? Take what resonate guys kasi pwedeng hindi ka makaresonate dito. Hindi ito para sa lahat. So kunin mo lang yung mga messages na para sa'yo. Yung left side, yung para sa person mo. Yung right side naman, yung para sa'yo. Pero pwede magkapalit-palit ang roles depende sa nangyayari sa'yo. Pwedeng ikaw yung nasa left, yung person mo yung nasa right, okay? So, let's start. We have here religious factors at saka wedding dito sa side mo. So, you might be this kind of person na medyo traditional. You believe in marriage and alam mo kung gaano kasagrado ito. Also, you believe in soulmate and parang nagkakaroon dito ng parang kasi you might be dealing with a soulmate eh. And pwedeng may marriage involved dito sa situation. Kaya ang hirap para sa'yo kasi hindi mo alam kung saan ka lulugar. Hindi mo alam kung dun ka ba sa soulmate o dun ka ba sa marriage. Okay? Kasi, kumbaga dito nasusubok yung paniniwala at pananampalataya mo. Kasi maaaring naniniwala ka kung gaano kasagrado ang kasal. Ngayon na there's soulmate dito sa energy mo, hindi mo alam kung paano. Okay? Especially may marriage involved. Pero alam mo kung gaano katotoo yung nararamdaman mo, yung emotion mo, yung connection mo sa taong to. Okay. And we have here trust and heart-to-heart conversation. This is your person. Kung wala kayong conversation nitong taong to or communication, this person would like to talk to you. Actually, gusto niya magtiwala ka sa connection nyo eh. Gusto niya na mag-stay ka lang kung ano yung kumbaga, maaaring nararamdaman niya or alam niya kung ano yung ginagawa mo na pag-stay dito sa paniniwala nito. Like, I don't know, but nasa side ng person mo yung marriage life eh. So, maaaring, you might be, okay. So, pwedeng for some of you, both of you. Pwedeng kayo kasi pareho pala. Pero, there's this energy na yung person mo is like asking for you to have faith. You just have to trust. Magtiwala ka lang. And kailangan nyo ng conversation together. Like, maaaring wala kayong communication. Parang kailangan nyo ng communication kasi meron pang unfinished business sa inyong dalawa eh. Hindi business na literal na business. Might be talk. Or hindi pa tapos yun lahat sa inyo. And there's another chance na nakikita ko dito. Okay, so we have here the will, judgment, sa energy ng person mo may konting pagbabago dito. Okay, pagdating sa kung paano niya tignan itong connection ninyong dalawa, may slight changes dito kasi currently we have here heartbroken, so pwedeng may sakit na nararamdaman yung person mo pero unti-unti niyang inaalisan ito. Gusto niya kasi ng pagbabago. There's sadness, separation, breakup, feeling lost, grieving, mourning. Pero maaaring gusto niya nang tapusin yung end. Kumbaga i-end na ito. I-end na itong sakit na ito. Okay? So, yun yung energy na nakukuha ko. Gusto niya nang i-end. So, currently, nandun yung pain, nandun yung panaka guys. Hindi ko nakukuha yung continuous na halimbawa from day to night. May mga times talaga na pahapyaw-hapyaw. Minsan, 3 times a week nasasaktan siya because of you. Pwedeng kinabukasan okay na ulit siya and then the next day ganun na naman. Yun yung energy niya. Panaka pa. Pero gusto niya nang alisan yung pain. Okay, gusto niya nang alisan by means of having this conversation. So, maaaring your person is like doing this movement para magkaroon ng connection sa inyong dalawa. Pwedeng ganun ha. Pero para naman sa iba, yun lang yung gusto niya, pero walang movement. Yung iba naman, pwedeng siya yung nag-i-initiate ng text or call. Ganyan. And we have your Six of Swords and Four of Swords. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Pwedeng matagal na itong connection nyo. And for what I can see here, you're having this isolation. Hindi man dito sa taong to, pero sa mundo. Parang you want to be alone. You would like to think over the issues dito. Parang part of you would like to move on, especially if there's a third person involved, or pwedeng ikaw ito nga na currently stuck in a relationship. Part of you would like to move on, pero hindi mo rin kaya eh. With the Four of Swords, you're trying to be at peace. Just trying. Pero nakailang try ka na eh. Pang ilang try mo na ba na mag-move on? Pang ilang try mo na ba na i-isolate ang sarili mo sa iba para makuha mo yung kapayapaan na hinahangad mo? Which is ang hirap para sa'yo. Pang ilang beses mo na sinabing okay na ako, naka-move on na ako, pero deep inside, alam mong hindi mo kaya. Kasi iba yung hatid na naibibigay nitong person na ito. Iba yung pagmamahal na hatid niya sa'yo. Or yung nararamdaman mo para sa kanya. We have your Four of Wands and Queen of Wands. I keep on hearing this person telling you na please trust this situation. Magtiwala ka lang. A lot of fire sign here. Magkaiba yung paniniwala nyo ngayon ng person mo. Like for you, gusto mong ayusin yung sarili mo. And yung person mo is like telling you to have faith. And with the Queen of Wands, this is how your person sees you, views you. You are this Queen of Wands. Sobrang galing mo. Maaaring kahit anong hawakan mo, you're very creative. You might be good at business, magaling mag-advise, you might be helping a lot of people. And nakukuha ko sa person mo na gusto niya ng marriage, gusto niya ng pagsasama, gusto niya ng relationship with you. Because you are very special. Okay? And because of that, there's this separation. Pero I feel like very soon, it is soon to end itong separation between the two of you. Kasi medyo malayo lang. Bottom of the deck, we have your Eight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. May blockage lang dito, pero your person is like doing the necessary movement. Dahan-dahan lang ha. Pero I feel like your person is well guided. Kumbaga gina-guide siya ng spirit guides niya, ng angel guides niya kung saan siya dapat pumunta. And I feel like this is going to end soon with the axe and breakup separation. I feel like we have here stop the pattern. So, yun yung mas nag-aano sa akin, which is to stop the pattern. Kung ano yung paulit-ulit na sakit, I feel like your person is stopping this. A lot of pain here. Kasi siya yung tipo na, hindi kanya everyday nasasaktan, hindi siya nakakaramdam ng sakit for you everyday. Pwedeng, yun nga, thrice a week. Pero during those times, sobrang down, sobrang sakit, sobrang hirap. So, we have here 10 of Pentacles and 2 of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. So, nakukuha ko dito ha, I feel like you're matching dun sa pag-iisip mo. Kasi parang, ano kayo eh, nagkakaroon kayo ng parang bouncing ng ball. Ay, tama ba? Like, for example, ikaw tong nag-iisip sa kanya, ikaw yung feeling down, and then the next day, siya naman yung feeling down, ikaw yung okay na, and then, ganun. Parang nagbabatuhan kayo kung kanino yung sakit. Yun yung nararamdaman ko sa inyo. Because things need to end here with the 10 of Pentacles. Actually, kailangan talaga. Kasi I'm seeing an unhealthy relationship here na kailangan na i-end. And because ang hirap i-end nito, mahirap i-end eh. I feel like there's this baby, so pwedeng may children involved. Nagkakaroon kayo ngayon ng batuhan kung sino makakaramdam ngayon ng sakit. Either ikaw or siya. Sa ngayon, yung energy, nasa iyo yung pain. Okay? Yung person mo, nasasaktan siya pero hindi siya ngayon apektado kasi nagtitiwala siya sa situation na ito. And we have here love call. Someone expresses love, a message of love, thinking of you and letting you know. This is your energy. You want to call this person. Parang gusto mo mag-usap kayo. Gusto mo kahit papano maibsan yung I don't know if this is you ha. Pwede kasing yung guys nagba-bounce yung energy. It feels like kung hindi ikaw to, ito yung person mo, but someone here wants to express this love. Hindi man masabi ng literal yung words na I love you, pero maiparamdam lang ba by hearing your laugh, making you laugh. Ganon. Kasi masaya siya pag masaya ka. Parang ganon. As someone here wants to have this call to express this emotion. And we have here the Chariot and Six of Pentacles. For what I can see, we have your Cancer, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Okay, pwedeng may distance. But, for what I can see here, hindi hadlang yung distance na yun para maramdaman niya sa'yo kung gaano kanya kamahal. And with the Six of Pentacles, I feel like there's similar goals here. Hindi nga lang niya nakikita yung sa side mo. Like, wala siyang, pwedeng may idea siya pero hindi siya sure kung ibibigay mo rin ba yung pagmamahal na nararamdaman niya para sa'yo, kung masusuklian mo rin ba. Still, this person is giving you the love. Okay? Kumbaga, nasa sa kanya pa rin yung pagmamahal. Na alam pa rin niya yon. Kahit hindi masuklian sa ngayon, nakukuha kong ibinibigay niya yun sa'yo at hindi sa iba. Kung meron man sa mga anak niya. Okay? And with addiction, there's some sort of addiction here. Controlling, possession, has a block, restraint. So, may mga nagpipigil lang dito sa person mo. Pero honestly, yung person mo gusto nang sumugod, gustong gumawa ng action, gustong mapalapit sa'yo. And we have your Ten of Wands. This is your energy here. With the Page of Cups and Seven of Swords, I'm sorry. Aries, Leo, Sag, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. So, nakukuha natin dito, there's some sort of an offer sa side mo, pero tinatago-tago pa lang sa ngayon because you know na with the Ten of Swords, kailangan bawasan mo ng responsibilities, kailangan bawasan yung burden, yung sakit, and there's a lot of pressure here. So, maaaring, and Seven of Swords is something hidden. This is a hopes, wishes, positive feeling, being patient. You might be this person na trying to be patient. And for what I can see here, ang dami mong offer dito sa person na ito. Pero, with the Grim Reaper, ito yung pinaka-hinihintay-hintay mo eh. The relationship is over, no second chances, grow and transform your life. For some of you, ito yung advice sa'yo, you have to end something, or pwedeng yung person mo ito need to end something. And this is what you're waiting for an ending before mo sabihin itong offer mo. There's a lot of offer here. Okay? And I feel like yung offer is the best. Yung competition talaga nagiging problem with the girl with the snake. I feel like someone is controlling your person. May controlling energy dito. I feel like toxicity dito. I'm smelling perfume. You might be this kind of person na mas attracted ka sa amoy kaysa sa ano no. I feel like mahilig ka sa perfume or iba talaga ang mabango para for you. And we have here the Hanged Man or Four of Cups. Pwedeng ikaw yun yung mahilig sa perfume or mahilig sa mabango or yung person mo. And for what I can see here with the Hanged Man and Four of Cups, your person is waiting for this offer of love, or to give you this offer kasi pwedeng magkapalit-palit yung roles. I feel like the other person involved, meron ding offer dito. Even material things, meron din dito. Kaya lang, hindi niya tinatanggap or hindi siya interesado. Mas interesado siya sa'yo. Kahit alam niyang medyo mahirap, medyo imposible, mas interesado siya sa'yo. Mas naghihintay siya doon. Okay. And we also have here Six of Swords, Knight of Cups, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. And we have here the Chaser. Parang I feel like you're having this fear or takot na maabandon na ka. You're trying to move on. Part of you is trying to move on. Part of you would like to give this offer, full of offer. Pero mas nahihirapan ka mag-move on kasi mas nahihirapan ka dahil mas natatakot kang ma-abandon na. Lalo na alam mo na yung feeling pag wala siya. For some of you, pwedeng walang communication. And currently, you're the chaser right here. Parang ina-extend mo yung arm mo for this person eh. Okay. I'm seeing you extending your arm. Like, I'm here. Or yung person mo yung natatakot ma-abandon na or mag-abandon na. Take what resonate, guys. Medyo pa iba-iba yung energy na nakukuha natin. Okay. And we have here Cupid's arrow. This card is telling you to have faith. The love is coming. Surprise, invitation, or meeting. Hesitation. Just have faith. There's this meeting or reconciliation na nakikita natin dito. We also have your Page of Wands. So, for what I can see here, bottom of the deck ito. There's some kind of news here, assistance. And it is telling you that parang problems are soon to end. Especially followed by the Tower. Kung ano man yung iniisip mo with the Eight of Swords. Yung yung nakagpapahirap sa'yo, matutulog ka, iniisip mo to. It is soon to end. Soon to end. So, kukuha na lang ako ng cards for you. This is the advice cards. Or kung ano man lalabas dito. Kasi parang pwedeng hindi advice ang lumabas. What do we have here for Virgo? February to March 2021. Please, Spirit guides, please guide me. Your person can smell you. I don't know, pero pwedeng meron kayong spiritual connection kasi kahit wala ka, naaamoy ka niya. Hindi niya alam ang amoy mo, pero feeling niya naaamoy ka niya. Or you might be dealing with someone na medyo malakas talaga ang kanyang sense of smell. Or sabihin na natin medyo meron kayong connection via 5D, spiritual connection, and yeah, naamoy ka niya. I don't know if you would believe me. Pero hindi kasi yun para sa lahat. Yung iba wala namang perfume, pero naaamoy ka niya, yung body scent mo. Ang lakas ng ano doon, energy doon. We have here, be supportive. Honesty is essential. Speak the language of love. Make a genuine effort to show you care. For what I can see here, yun nga, kahit hindi mo sabihing I love you, kahit hindi mo sabihing mahal kita, be honest, be the honesty with this card. Honesty is essential. Speak with love and truth. Sabihin mo lang yung totoo. I feel like this advice is for those Virgos and crosswatcher na may connection na. And be supportive, like, all the time. Kasi nakakababa or kumbaga pinakamalakas makahatak sa person para ma-boost yung kanyang confidence is to be supportive. Lalo na kung coming from you. Lalo na kung ikaw yung magsusupport sa kanya, mas lalong mag-boost yung kanyang confidence. And we have here, speak the language of love. Loving words have the power to change lives, including your own. I feel like you can change this person. Pwedeng ikaw yung magdala sa connection yung dalawa. Kaya mo pang baguhin yan. Kung hindi kayo okay ngayon, ikaw ang may hawak nito. And I feel like your spirit guides is telling you na lead. Please lead. Lalo na kung ikaw yung, I'm feeling that if you're the guy in this connection, ikaw yung lalaki, lead. Pwedeng may mga reasons kung bakit hindi pwede. Halimbawa, yung person mo is like, hindi pwede, ganyan-ganyan. May mga reason din siya, but your spirit guides is telling you, please lead. Okay? Kasi yung person mo nandun siya, nagtitiwala lang siya. Kailangan lang ng push, parang ganon. Yeah, this is a twin flame connection. Itong card na to with the speak the language of love. For me, this is a twin flame card. You might be dealing with your twin flame. And yun nga, you have the power to change lives, including your own. For some of you, you might be a healer. Ibig sabihin na pwedeng magaling kang manghilot, magaling kang, yung words mo nakaka-heal. Or kung nalulungkot yung person mo, konting joke mo lang, masaya na siya, nag-heal na agad ko yung sakit, yung galit na nararamdaman niya. You are a healer. And yun nga, your spirit guide is telling you to lead. Sabihin mo na yung totoo. Willing naman siyang i-accept ko ano yung totoo eh. Kasi gusto niya na rin maging totoo sa'yo. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Take what resonate lang guys. I love you all and bye-bye.